Hey there, future business leaders. Today, let's dive into how management theories have shaped modern business. Trust me, understanding these can transform the way you think about managing people and resources. First up, we have scientific management. Frederick Taylor was the mastermind here, and he believed in optimizing work through scientific methods. Picture this: breaking down tasks into smaller parts and using time studies to find the most efficient way to do each one. This approach revolutionized factories and laid the groundwork for assembly lines. Next, we move on to administrative principles. Henri Fayol came up with this one. He identified 5 key functions of management: planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. Fayol's principles provided a structured framework for management, emphasizing that good administration is essential for any successful organization. Then we had the human relations movement. Elton Mayo and his famous Hawthorne studies highlighted the importance of social factors at work. Turns out people aren't just cogs in a machine. They have feelings, motivations, and social needs. This led to a focus on improving worker satisfaction and team dynamics. Now let's talk about the systems approach. Here the idea is that an organization is a system made up of interrelated parts. Everything is connected, and changes in one part of the system can impact the whole. This holistic view helps managers understand the complexities of their organizations and make more informed decisions. Enter the contingency approach. This one's about flexibility. It argues that there's no one-size-fits-all way to manage. Instead, the best approach depends on the specific circumstances. It's like having a toolbox and knowing which tool to use for each situation. Finally, we have quality management. Think of names like W. Edwards Deming and Joseph Girard. This theory focuses on continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Techniques like total quality management, TQM, and Six Sigma have become crucial for businesses aiming to enhance their processes and deliver high-quality products or services. So, why does this all matter to you? Understanding these theories gives you a solid foundation for your management toolkit. Whether you're leading a startup or a multinational corporation, these principles can guide you in making effective decisions and driving success. All right, that's a wrap for today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business insights. See you next time.